Daily repair is a powerful relationship skill because small, timely apologies prevent bitterness from building up and derailing trust. Research summarized by Gottman researchers shows that couples who repair after missteps maintain closeness and reduce predictive divorce tendencies. In real life, a couple notices rising tension during a shared task and uses a quick pause to name feelings and reset. Experts like Esther Perel emphasize curiosity over accusation, turning conflicts into collaborative problem-solving rather than battlefield narratives. Practice tip: 2-minute repair routines at end of day and a weekly check-in to align goals and celebrate micro progress.